Hello, my name is Ben Baggerly with WFL Mill Turn Technologies. We're based in Austria. I want to thank everybody for visiting our booth and hope you're enjoying the IMTS show. I'd like to take you a little bit around and show you what we do and how we do it and what makes us different from some of the other builders. So what we do at WFL Mill Turn Technologies is we manufacture mill turn machines. We don't make standard lathes, we don't make milling machines, we don't make grinders. We strictly focused on mill turn machines. Our range goes from 20 inches diameter by 40 inches long, all the way up to the M200, which is 80 inches diameter and up to 45 feet long, and will carry up to a 130,000 pound workpiece. This is the model M50, which is a little bit below the mean size, minimum size machine, with 27 inches swing and 120 inches between centers. We have an X for diameter, Z for length, Y to go above and below the center line, a full B axis for angle work, and a full C axis for rotation of the workpiece. So at WFL Mill Turn Technology, we specialize in many different industries, but one of our best industries is the aerospace with landing gears, but as well as these workpieces, which are jet engine shafts. We can do the shaft complete ID, OD, splining, as well as the bottle boring of the ID of the shaft, where we can contour it. And we also ultrasonically can measure the wall thickness to control the ID and the OD concentricity within 1,000th of an inch. And we do this also in Inconel. One of the other industries that's very successful for us is the plastic injection molding machine business, where we make the injection screws. And one of the things that's been a problem over the years is, let me back up a little bit, is it was always easy to make a program when you have a 3D model. But some companies have literally thousands of workpieces that are legacy parts from days gone by, where they only have a 2D drawing. And we can now, from a 2D drawing, program a part like this with our new, what we call screw cam software. We've developed special software which makes it possible from a 2D drawing to manually program this into a 3D model. Okay, so some of the other technologies that we're well known for in the industry is our boring capability. We can have, as you see here, vibration damped boring bars up to 80 inches long in the tool changer of the machine. So we automatically change it along this dovetail clamping system here. But we can also have a separate bar slide where we can have boring bars in the machine up to 12 inches diameter, up to 120 inches long, also vibration damped with automatic tool change. We've also developed technologies for gear cutting and gear hobbing for highly accurate gears, up to AGMA 10 and AGMA 12 is even possible, is this hobbing head where we have a bearing on both sides of the hob, and each bearing is individually adjustable for runout. And this is also fitting in the tool changer magazine. So with the flexibility of our machines and the weight capacity and the size capacity, we're able to do complex parts like this mud pump crank. So we have two crankshaft pins, which is very similar to a crankshaft you'd find in your engine as far as the concept goes and how it works. This is for a mud pump for subsea oil drilling. Well, we also, in the same machine, cut this gear with a single tooth gear cutting method with our software called Gear Cam. So this is all done in the same machine. Crankshaft milling, crank pin milling, as well as gear cutting in the same machine. Thank you for visiting our booth. We'd like to summarize to say that the clamp once machine complete concept was invented by WFL. We had our first mill turn machine in 1982. A lot of people didn't even have live tools in a turret in 1982. We had a full 5-axis with a tool changer, and we are the experts in the field, and we can make pretty much anything you can fit in the work envelope in the machine, we can make it. So I thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.